Hi students. So today I'm going to talk about a question that have been asked by many of my students, which is insurance the best industry for an MBA grad? And why my students ask this question, I understand there are some stereotypes, I won't say myths, but some questions that you students may have at top of your mind. One of them is, of course, that insurance is all about sales. And, a student believes, an MBA student believes that he would be doing door-to-door sales or maybe sales throughout his or her career. And the other thing that is also associated is that changing domains. Once you get into insurance domain, then changing your domain is a little difficult. And of course, the other thing is that insurance industry does not have a defined career path and so on. So while I'll be clear, I'm not advocating any particular industry or sector, but few things I think I would like to tell you students, and which is that, of course, the insurance industry, a large chunk of jobs is sales. But if you look at insurance industry in the last few years, it has been evolving and things have been shifting to B2B sales. And B2B sales is as easy or difficult as any other industry. I mean, whether it is IT or FMCG or e-commerce or whatever. And yes, from some senior people in insurance also, we do keep hearing that even even after reaching a fair amount of seniority level, they do some sales, here and there. So, my response is what is bad in that? I mean, you are doing a function in your company or in your organization, which is all about bringing revenue. And I'm sure that, tangibly or intangibly, all of us do sales. So should not be an issue. That is what I believe. And of course, when we talk of changing domains, I think the changing domains again in insurance, if you want to switch, if you don't like the industry and if you want to switch, it is as easy or as difficult as any other industry. And one thing that I would like to add here is, if you look at it, I mean, sales is not the only profile that insurance industry offers. As an MBA grad, you can get into underwriting, you can get into claims processing, you can get into policy management, and so on. Yes, of course. I mean, if you talk of some specific things in insurance, like actuaries or maybe data science and all, that may require some other qualifications or some other courses to do, which you can always do. Students, I mean, if I actually sum it up, all that I want to say is that insurance is one of the oldest industry. I mean, if you actually go back in history, it may be as old as 4,000 years old, and even in the recent past, it has been there for more than 100 years. So it is a evolved industry. Yes, you do miss the some of the benefits related to the glamour, quotient of industries like consulting, investment banking, e-commerce, and so on. So, but if you actually look at it, I mean, you can take an informed decision of which industry you would like to join and which industry is the best option for you. Hope this would have been of some help to you. And for more information, keep liking and subscribing my channel.